So this is just a quick video of this Elemake lock that I just installed. I like this because on my other house I have a digital keypad. My concern with that is the battery's dying and I'm locked out, right? I don't have my key. But this one is mechanical. I'll show you what the inside looks like. This is locked and then open, obviously, from the inside. But if you lock it, you got to punch in the code. I'm obviously not going to show you guys the code, but you punch in the code up to 6 digits, and then you see this is locked, open, and now it's open. And you want to lock it from the outside, you just turn it, and there you go. And open it. It's locked. Got to put in your code again. And it's open. And here's the thing, the buttons are really easy to push. Very smooth operation. Obviously that's not going to open anything, and I gotta do this to reset it. But yeah, very smooth operation. Do that to reset it and then type it in again. Installation was pretty easy. One thing I want to let you guys know, there's some videos, and I'll link videos to the installation guide. The ones that Elemake makes, they're okay, but I'm going to send you another link to a guy that has a really big YouTube channel. I forgot his name that fast, but he reviewed it, an older model from this, because the one he reviewed, this handle here was plastic. Here is stainless steel. It's really thick steel. This is steel. This is steel. This is steel. Everything here is stainless steel. There was also a different type of key locking mechanism that he had, and then the button, the keypad protruded, and it was, you could pry it off, right? So this one's a lot more secure, and you'll see in his video he was saying there's a decent lock, but this issue, and then he was able to pick it really easily, which made it not secure. But again, they've changed this. I'm no lock picker, so I can't try to pick this, but I do know it looks like regular house locks now. And then this is smooth, so they definitely made upgrades. Okay, so the lighting is going to be probably a little bit bad. Let me see if I can. But you can see that I don't even have to open up the door to take that actual locking mechanism off. And you see it's secured, the keypad, to this metal plate here. And I just want to show you guys that the stems, because there's nothing in the instructions that show it, just show you need to put it on, but the stems come into the house. They don't go into the door. I wanted to show you guys that. But these screws right here actually on the inside secure the keypad on the outside, making this a lot more secure. There's no way no one's prying this off. The only way to really, they're going to have to just tear into the metal door to get to this thing. So I wanted to just show you this because this is not one of those obvious things that you can see from a listing or something like that, just on how secure this is. Now, the one that Bosnia and Bill had, I don't think it had this. So that's why I just wanted to show you guys how this works, especially if you're taking everything out of the pack and you're trying to see how things line up. You'll notice that the deadbolt does not, the stems don't go into the keypad. That's because you have to use this mounting plate here. And so, yeah, I like this a lot. I still like the digital ones too, because you can push a button and it locks all, by itself. One caveat to this is, because it's mechanical, you don't have to put your code in order. So if your code was 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do 4, 2, 3, 1 or 4, 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll still unlock the door. So keep that in mind. Because it's not digital, there's no circuit board in there to remember the actual pattern or sequence of the code. So anyway, that's just a quick review of it. I like it. Very smooth operation. We can close the door now. The old lock I have in there was some old cheap lock from when I bought the house. And yeah, works nice and smooth. Much better than... I'm making a video. I'm going to let you in a second, okay? Okay. All right, I'm almost done. Jeez. Anyway, I don't know what I was saying. That's it. Let me know what you guys think of this lock. If you had any experience with it, I'll leave a link in the description to go check it out. I believe there's some codes down there to get a little discount. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys next time.